stop. Before you say another English sentence, you need to hear this.
If you've ever said, "Does you understand?" or "Did you went there?" this episode is going to change everything for you.
I'm Jack.
And I'm Jessica. Welcome to A1 English Podcast, where we make English simple, natural, and actually fun to learn.
And today, we're solving one of the biggest mysteries in English grammar.
Do, does, and did. 3 tiny words but confuse millions of English learners every single day.
Here's the crazy thing. Native speakers use these words hundreds of times a day without thinking.
But for learners, it feels like a puzzle with missing pieces.
Well, guess what? By the end of this episode, you'll have all the pieces.
Before we jump in, if you're serious about improving your English, hit that subscribe button right now.
Because we drop new episodes regularly, and each one is designed to make you sound more natural and confident.
And if this episode helps you, give us a like. It tells us we're doing something right.
Okay, ready for a challenge? I'm going to say 3 sentences. You tell me which one is correct.
Sentence 1. Do you likes pizza?
Sentence 2. Does you like pizza?
Sentence 3. Do you like pizza?
If you said sentence 3, you're right. But do you know why the other 2 are wrong?
That's exactly what we're covering today. And trust me, after 30 minutes, you'll never get confused again.
No boring grammar rules. No complicated explanations.
Just real English, real examples, and real confidence.
Let's do this.
Okay, Jack, can I be honest with you?
Always.
When I first started learning about helper verbs in another language, I thought they were completely useless.
Wait, really?
Yes, I kept thinking, why do we need these little words? They don't even mean anything.
Oh, I totally get that. But here's the thing. They actually make English easier.
I know, right? Once you understand them, everything clicks.
So let's start with the simplest explanation possible.
Do, does, and did are helper verbs. Think of them as your grammar assistants.
They help you ask questions and make negative sentences.
That's it. They're like the supporting actors in a movie. They make the main verb look good.
Perfect analogy. So here's the pattern that changes everything.
Do and does are for now, present tense, things happening today, habits, routines.
Did is for then, past tense, things that already happened yesterday, last week, last year, 5 minutes ago.
Boom, that's the foundation.
If you only remember this one thing, you're already better than 50% of learners.
Now, why do people get confused?
Usually because they try to memorize every rule without seeing the pattern.
Or because textbooks make it sound way more complicated than it actually is.
Right. Books say things like auxiliary verbs in interrogative constructions.
What? See, that's confusing.
We're going to explain it the way real people talk.
No fancy words, just simple, clear English.
Let me ask you something, Jessica. How do you know when to use do versus does?
Oh, that's easy. It depends on who you're talking about.
Exactly. Tell everyone the secret.
Do goes with I, you, we, and they. Does goes with he, she, and it.
That's literally the entire rule.
I, you, we, they go with do.
He, she, it goes with does.
Write that down if you're taking notes.
Or better yet, say it out loud 3 times right now.
Seriously, repetition helps it stick in your brain.
And once it's in there, it becomes automatic.
You won't even think about it anymore.
All right, let's make this real with some examples.
Okay, story time. Last week I was at a coffee shop.
Oh, I love coffee shop stories.
A tourist came up to me and asked, "Does you know where is the bathroom?"
Oh, I heard 2 mistakes in that sentence.
Right? Let's fix them one at a time.
First, does you is wrong. It should be do you.
Because we're talking to you and you always uses do.
Always, never does.
Even if you're talking to a king or queen, it's still do you.
Even if you're talking to 100 people, it's still do you.
You is special like that.
Now let's look at some real examples you'll actually use.
Imagine you're texting a friend about lunch plans.
You write, "Do you want to meet at noon?"
Perfect. That's with you, so we use do.
Now imagine you're asking about your friend's sister.
You say, does she like Italian food?
Exactly. That's with she, so we use does.
Let's do a few rapid-fire examples.
Great idea. I'll give the subject, you give the sentence.
Okay, subject is they.
Do they live nearby?
Subject is he.
Does he work on weekends?
Subject is we.
Do we need to bring anything?
Subject is it.
Does it cost a lot?
See how that naturally sounds?
Now let's talk about negatives, saying no or not.
Ooh, good one. This is where learners make tons of mistakes.
The pattern is exactly the same.
We just add not after do or does.
Or we use the contractions, don't and doesn't.
In casual conversation, we almost always use contractions.
I don't like horror movies.
She doesn't drink coffee.
We don't have class tomorrow.
He doesn't speak German.
Notice the pattern?
I, you, we, they go with don't.
He, she, it goes with doesn't.
Same rule, just negative.
Here's a mistake I hear all the time.
Oh, tell us.
People say, he don't like spicy food.
Oh, ouch, that hurts my ears.
It should be, he doesn't like spicy food.
Because he needs doesn't, not don't.
Even though you hear native speakers say he don't in casual speech sometimes.
It's not grammatically correct, and it will make you sound less educated.
So stick with doesn't for he, she, and it.
Let's practice. Everyone listening, repeat after me.
I don't understand.
She doesn't know.
They don't have time.
It doesn't work.
How are you feeling? Confident? You should be. This is easy once you see the pattern. All right, now we're moving to did, and this is going to blow your mind.
Why?
Because did is actually easier than do and does.
No way.
Yes way, there's only one form.
Wait, what do you mean?
With do and does, you have to remember which subjects get which form, right?
Right. I, you, we, they get do, he, she, it get does.
But with did, everyone gets did.
That's amazing. Why didn't we start with this one?
Because you need to understand do and does first to appreciate how easy did is.
Fair enough. So when do we use did?
Whenever you're talking about the past, something that already happened.
Yesterday, last week, last year, 5 minutes ago?
All of those. If it's finished, use did.
Okay, give me an example.
Did you eat breakfast this morning?
Perfect. We're asking about this morning. That's past.
Did she call you yesterday?
Did they finish the project?
Did he watch the game last night?
This is easy.
But wait, here comes the part that confuses everyone.
Uh-oh, what is it?
When you use did, the main verb stays in its base form.
Okay, you need to explain that.
So many learners say, did you went to the party?
Oh no, 2 past tenses.
Exactly. Did is already past, so the verb stays simple.
So the correct sentence is, did you go to the party?
Yes, go, not went.
Let me make sure I understand. Did she ate lunch is wrong?
Wrong. It should be, did she eat lunch?
Did they saw the movie is wrong.
Wrong. It should be, did they see the movie?
Okay, this makes sense now.
Let's practice the right way.
Did you sleep well?
Did he finish his homework?
Did we meet before?
Did it rain yesterday?
All base forms.
Sleep, finish, meet, rain, all base forms.
Because did handles the past tense part.
Exactly. You're getting this.
Now, what about negatives in the past?
Same idea. We use did not or didn't.
I didn't sleep well last night.
She didn't call me yesterday.
We didn't see that movie.
They didn't understand the instructions.
And again, the main verb stays simple.
Sleep, call, see, understand, all base forms.
This pattern is so consistent.
That's what makes English actually pretty logical once you see it.
Mind blown.
Okay, Jessica, confession time.
What?
I'm going to share the mistakes that instantly tell native speakers someone is still learning.
Ooh, this is good because if you can avoid these, you sound way more advanced.
Exactly. Ready?
Let's hear them.
Mistake number 1. Does you like pizza?
Ugh, classic beginner mistake.
Why is it wrong?
Because you always takes do, never does.
Right answer is, do you like pizza?
Even if you're nervous, even if you're not sure, with you, it's always do.
Mistake number 2. Did you went to school?
Oh no, 2 past tenses.
Exactly. Did is already past, so the verb stays simple.
Correct version is, did you go to school?
Mistake number 3. He don't like coffee.
That should be doesn't like.
Yes, he doesn't like coffee.
Even though you hear native speakers say he don't in casual speech sometimes.
It's not grammatically correct, and it will make you sound less educated.
So stick with doesn't for he, she, and it.
Mistake number 4, and this one's sneaky.
I'm listening.
People forget that with the verb to be, you don't use do, does, or did.
What do you mean?
Some learners say, do you are happy, or does he is a teacher?
Oh, that's because to be verbs work differently.
Right. We just say, are you happy, or is he a teacher?
No do or does needed.
In the past, we say, were you happy, not did you were happy.
The verb to be is special.
Mistake number 5, double negatives.
Like, I don't have no money.
Exactly. In English, we only use one negative.
I don't have any money, or I have no money.
But not both negatives together.
That's actually a rule in standard English.
Although in some English dialects, people do use double negatives.
True, but in formal or standard English, avoid them.
Last mistake, and this one is huge.
Tell us.
People mixing up tenses in the same conversation.
Like starting in present, then switching to past randomly.
Exactly. I go to the store yesterday and I buy milk.
That should be, I went to the store yesterday and I bought milk.
Or if you want to use did, it would be, I did go to the store yesterday and I did buy milk.
But that sounds a bit unnatural.
True, we usually just use the simple past. I went and I bought.
We only use did for questions and negatives in past tense or for emphasis.
Great point.
Okay, enough theory. Let's have some real conversations.
Yes, because this is how you actually learn.
I'm going to pretend I'm meeting you for the first time at a party.
Okay, let's do it.
Hi, do you live around here?
Yes, I do. Do you come to these parties often?
Not really. Did you come with friends?
Yeah. Does your friend like parties too?
See? We used do, does, and did naturally.
Without even thinking about the rules.
Let's try another scenario. We're co-workers on Monday morning.
Okay, I'll start. Hey, did you have a good weekend?
Yes, I went hiking. Do you like hiking?
I do. Did you go somewhere nice?
Yeah, the mountains. Does your girlfriend like hiking too?
Perfect. Natural flow.
Now, everyone listening, pause the episode for 1 minute.
Create a short conversation using do, does, and did.
Say it out loud, even if you're alone.
This is how your brain learns, by using, not just listening.
Okay, time for a quick quiz.
I'll give you a sentence. You tell me if it's right or wrong.
Sentence 1. Do she like ice cream?
Wrong. It should be, does she like ice cream?
Sentence 2. Did they played soccer?
Wrong. It should be, did they play soccer?
Sentence 3. Do you want coffee?
Correct. Perfect sentence.
Sentence 4. Does we need to leave?
Wrong. It should be, do we need to leave?
How did you do?
If you got all of them, you're officially a do, does, did master.
If you got some wrong, that's totally okay.
Rewind and listen again. Repetition is key. Wow, we covered a lot today.
We really did. Let's do a super quick recap.
Do and does are for present tense, now, today, habits.
Do for I, You, we, they.
Does for he, she, it.
Did is for past tense, yesterday, last week, already happened.
And did is the same for everyone.
Main verb stays in base form after did.
No double past tense.
And remember, these little words are your friends, not your enemies.
They actually make English easier once you get the pattern.
The secret is practice.
Use them every day in your conversations.
Make mistakes. That's how you learn.
Every mistake brings you closer to fluency.
You know what? In 3 months, you won't even think about these rules.
They'll be automatic.
You'll just know what sounds right.
That's when you know you've truly learned something.
Before we go, if this episode helped you, please hit the like button.
It really helps us know we're making content you love.
And subscribe to A1 English Podcast for more episodes just like this one.
We release new content regularly to help you speak English naturally and confidently.
Comment below and tell us, what's the hardest part of English grammar for you?
We read every comment and we use them to create future episodes.
Thank you so much for spending 30 minutes with us today.
Your English is getting better every single day.
Keep listening, keep practicing, keep improving.
We believe in you.
See you in the next episode.
Happy learning, everyone!
Bye!